Hey, a year-end update here on my little Suzuki Kara and whatever plans I have on the channel, I guess. So I might be basically done here for the rest of the year. I'll see if I get more videos or whatever I can put together, but right now I'm kind of clean out. So I have a whole bunch of projects going on. Hopefully I want to close up some of those bigger projects by the end of winter. Plenty more content coming. Let's see what we're looking at here. I got random things kind of scattered everywhere, all over the car and all over the shop too. I'm also trying to clean up in here. Look, there's floor. Floor is rare in here. There's places to step around and go to places. Like, even over here, it's like, wow, I've never had space over here. So, little simple things. Let's start with this. I have my boost gauges, or the gauge pods. I have my gauge pods set up here. I have my e-brake cover painted. Everything looks okay. I don't know why this is wet. It might be oil. I'll gotta clean that off. And then I have my new gauges I'm working on. This is the water gauge, water temperature gauge. As I said before, I ended up going metric, even though I don't understand metric. I'll have to learn for those particular readings. Okay, here, as you can see, I have a boost gauge over here. I just have random stuff somewhere. I think my oil temp gauge is right here on the floor. Okay, so there's the gauges. There's the pods that will go in the pillar here, and I'll show you how to route and wire everything in this car. I have my boost controller here, also ready to install. I'm figuring out the wiring. I'm still working on the ECU thing. I have to do a few things, like I got to change the O2 sensor, got to check my timing, all kinds of stuff. This is my adapter harness I got. Let's see, what else? What else can I show you? I got all kinds of things going on in here. I plan on dropping the motor out. I'll do all the seals, all the gaskets, whatever. There's the timing belt I want to do. I have a timing belt sticker in there, but there's no writing on it, so I know nothing. I got the Monster Sport metal gaskets for like the head gasket, the intake, and the exhaust gasket. I also bought the Monster Sport Turbo. It's the RHB 31 VA something. It's a slightly upgraded turbo. And I also have injectors coming. So I'm going to do all kinds of stuff here. But with all those things coming, I don't want to disturb this yet because I have that downpipe project. I want to make sure my car is in running condition when the prototype is ready. So I can test the car with it, make sure it fits, everything works, and then I'll go dyno test it. Then I'll go drop the motor and do all kinds of shenanigans here. I want to do all these things. I want to make sure it's done by winter so I can get my car ready for next year and it'll be in tip-top shape. And hopefully I'll take it out to a track somewhere. There's a local track out maybe about an hour and a half from me. I'll go check it out, and you guys will see this car racing around the track there. It'll be fun. I haven't forgotten my welding project that's down here that's still unfinished. I want to get that finished probably first, just so I can put my interior back together and I don't have little interior pieces all over the place. There's my carpet. I have little trim pieces over there. I have a box of my the little clips and whatnot that go in there. My carpet's everywhere. I just want to get all my stuff done. I started too many things. I tend to do this a lot. So enough about the Kara. There's a lot of stuff going on here. I will be working on some other stuff too. I'll show you those things too. The other upcoming videos I have coming are about my Suzuki Carry up there. So there will be maintenance items, more maintenance items, because I only got around to doing the oil change under here. It's a little bit dark on here, sorry. But I will do timing belt, maybe the water pump probably. I will do transmission fluid and differential fluid. It's nice and clean under here because I just undercoat sprayed it with the rubberized stuff I was working on before. Finally got it up here on the lift so I can get it all completed. Look at that, it looks nice and neat. I will hit the wheels next. So as you can see up there, I'm working on lights, all kinds of stuff going on, clearing up all the space on my floor. This is my first time actually just having anything parked over my Kara here, so this is only mildly concerning to me. I'm kind of sketched out. I hope there's no earthquake. I live in Massachusetts. We don't really have earthquakes, so this should be okay. I'll leave it in here with the heat on, overnight, maybe 1 or 2 days or something like that. Maybe just overnight. I might just get rid of this. I don't like this up here right now because this is my baby here. Thanks for watching. I hope you're looking forward to the content I have coming next year. Assuming I don't post anything this year with the Christmas holiday and whatnot, I might try to take a break here. So thanks for watching again. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.